Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to connect Google Sheet to Google Calendar. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure you have two columns. One column is for the date and the other column is for the task name. In this example, the date is in column B and the task is in column C, starting from row 4. Now go to the top menu and click Extensions, then Apps Script. This will open the script editor in a new tab. Delete any code that is there. Now we need to replace your _calendar_ID at group.calendar.google.com with your actual calendar ID. To find it, open Google Calendar in another tab. On the left, under My Calendars, hover over the calendar you want to use. Click the three dots, then click Settings and Sharing. Scroll down until you see Calendar ID. If this is your main calendar, it will just be your Gmail address. If it is a shared or secondary calendar, it will look like a long address ending with @group, calendar.google.com. Copy it and paste it into the script where the calendar ID is set. Save the script and then click Run. Grant permissions if prompted. Now your sheet can send events directly to your Google Calendar.